The GPA is my favorite professional association. I mean, where else can grant nerds and grant creatives coexist? Where else can I be someone who plays well with others while coloring outside the lines and running with scissors? That's always been a personal favorite at every conference of mine. And as I reflect on this honor, I'm reminded that big events require big reflections. So I had to wonder why. Why would an introverted accountant from northern Minnesota leave the world of Excel spreadsheets and become a speaker and author about federal grants? And the answer to that question is not here on this stage, but it's out there in this audience with each of you. And it's a big why. I stepped outside of my known world because I wanted to be a light to your feet and a steady hand on the narrow and winding path that is federal grants compliance. Every time before I spoke, I would visualize a steep mountain path with me holding a lantern down by your feet to illuminate your way with steep drop-offs on either side. Supporting the heavy lifting that each one of you are doing to make a difference in your communities was the big why that got even a terrified accountant started on this long and winding grant journey. And to quote Jerry Garcia, what a long, strange trip it's been. So as this chapter of my grant journey turns the page, I want to encourage each of you to think of your grant journey not just individually, but collectively. If the last year has taught us anything, it's that we all get by better with a little help from our grant friends. So think about how you can hold the light for others who want to keep making a difference in their communities. Could you help a colleague in the job search? How could you support a grant professional who's navigating funding challenges due to things like maybe a government shutdown or changing interpretations of what's allowable and what's not allowable? How could you help someone who's pushing through a grant application deadline that has been shortened and there's no one to talk to about it? Perhaps it's even dropping off, as we say in Minnesota, a hot dish. Now, since I moved to Florida, I now know that those are called casseroles. But here's the truth. Few people get the opportunity in their careers to be part of such a meaningful profession. This is the world of grant professionals, and I'm so proud to have been part of this community. Thank you.